What up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we'll be making Roddy Ricch, the rapper. Let's go jump right into it. So you go to face. You're gonna pick that head right there. None of those. Skin tone, or you can make them lighter depending on what you like, whatever. Let's go down to hairstyle. You're gonna pick that one right there. And then the color, black. All right, and now you're gonna go to eyebrows. Now you pick those right there, and then you go to position. Pause the video if you have to. Get those stats right there. Get those position. Go to eyes. Now Roddy has some really brown eyes. I picked those right there. Go ahead and get that. Pause the video, and then it's a different kind of brown. It's the one right here on the top. That's the brown I picked. Goes pretty good. Alright, so you go to nose. You pick that nose right there. You pick that position. And then his mouth, no homo. Pick that position. Pause the video, get that color. It's a special color right here. Pick that one right there. As you can see. Alright. Facial hair. That, get that, black, and no mole, gender, body, you already know that. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's basically how you make Roddy Ricch, the rapper, from that famous song The Box. Yeah, enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and subscribe.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT.